Well, I've just spent the last 10 minutes looking for my Stanley knife and I cannot find it. So I will proceed to trim the edges with this. It's basically a glass scraper. It's just a razor blade mounted in a case. So you just use the edge of the chip inside as the guide, and it just strips a couple of mils of the surface off, which will let the acetone get into that chip nicely, or into the casing I should say. And I'll do the same down the sides. Actually surprisingly easy. It just feels like a pencil eraser. Totally soft, but a little bit of firmness to it. So quite what this once was, I don't know. So that's 4. Fishing in the pot again for the other 2. Much the same story, it's just started to tear over the top of the chips, but hasn't burst yet, so just take the edge off. Just trims it off like that. And I reckon by tomorrow morning these will have lifted quite considerably. Just take it off along there as well. Maybe not. It's pushing my luck, I think. Yep. So that's that one pruned. And the very last one to come out, which is putting up a fight. What's this one? Another 54B, another original, and this one has not got a single tear on it at all. It's holding up very well. It's probably the best preserved one. All it does, it feels rubbery, so clearly it's had some effect. Before they felt very firm, like they were very solid, hard units, but now soft and rubbery, and you can peel the edges off with your fingernail, and that's cut down to the chip surface, or basically the SIP chip packaging, whatever it's on. And here we go. Just take the corner off, just to let it in properly. And I'll see if I can do it this side as well without damaging that pin. Yes, I can. Lovely. So there we have 6 almost naked chips, one very naked one there, and an awful lot of wreckage. Now people have talked about doing some tests on this stuff after it's come out of the acetone, but to be honest it's so totally changed from what it was originally that that's loose. I don't think you get any reliable results out of it, to be honest. Testing the inside face, yeah, obviously that's where you need to test it, but this feels like a very different type of material following the treatment. So, these can go back in the acetone. And we'll see where we get to with another 24 hours. Possibly a complete removal, which would mean the synth can be quickly resurrected. So on with the lid, ready to roll.